So, this is my first time ordering stuff from DigiKey, and I had seen some videos on this, and I was like, I wonder if they just have them, and they totally do. So here we go. It is an Olimex development board, ARM, AVR, MSP430, PIC. What is it? It is an Agon Light 2. Yay! There it is. Oh my goodness. It runs off power here, USB-C. Got a power switch and a VGA monitor and a USB cord plug for a keyboard. There's a sound output, a place for an SD card. You can hook things up to it. I don't even remember what. It's been too long since I watched the videos on it. But it's basically, oh, and we got free standoffs. Or in fact, feet. Not just standoffs, feet. So it's got feet. Hello, feet. The feet do not fit easily into the holes. I assume that they are for these four holes. What else would they be for? Unless they're buttons and not feet. They're very, very jello-like. So I don't know how easy it's going to be to get them into these holes. But as long as they are partway in, then they should support it. Yeah. All right. There it is. I should get some things to plug into it and plug them into it and see what it does. Oh, wow. Oh, those feet come off really easy, don't they? Okay. Power. Oh, no. Oh, it looks like USB-C. This isn't USB-C. Oh, there's this one. It doesn't match. Oh, hello, Peanut. I see you're here to help. I have USB-C here, many of them, but they're all such short cords. I'm going to have to go get a long cord that I've been using for charging my phone in the front room. Hello, Peanut. You are sitting on my new 8-bit computer. Okay, we've got some power now. Haha! Red light and yellow light. Keyboard. Excuse your butt, cat. Nope. Hello. It's got to be this way. There we go. Okay. Hey, hey. Keyboard is responding. And a monitor. Aha. And now let us see what we've got, other than another missing foot. And what we have got is a cat. Cat. Please move. Okay, let's turn on the monitor and see what we got. Aha! We have a thing. Ooh. It does not like this refresh rate. Maybe I will need a different monitor. On the other hand, maybe if I reset it, does this reset it? Yes. Maybe it will detect this monitor? No. It doesn't like a standard IBM. Okay, let's try this one instead. There we go. Agon Quark VDP version 1.04 RC1. Cool. Is there a help command? SD card failure. Yeah, there is no SD card. Do I need to put an SD card in it for it to work at all? Maybe I need to put things on the SD card? That could be a problem. So I found a video, and I don't know why I couldn't find the video that I watched before. It does need an SD card. It needs stuff on the SD card. But you can see up here, it says that it has the MOS, which that's the operating system. So at least it has the operating system already in it somewhere. So I have an SD card here. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's tiny. Maybe it goes in upside down. Nope. It goes right side up, and I just did it wrong. There we go. Okay, let's try resetting it. Okay. Could not find path. Okay, well that's a different message at least. That suggests that I do actually have to put stuff on it. Or I guess the operating system. I've got an operating system. I ought to be able to do stuff, something anyway. I'll see if I can find a better video. Okay, so I put this SD card in my Windows 10 PC, and I went to www.github.com. Is it .com? /Olimex/Agon Lite 2. Olimex is all in caps, and Agon Lite, capital A, capital L. And then I went to the little green code button, downloaded it as a zip file, and then within that zip file there was a directory called software, and within there's something called like 1-Agon Lite contents, SD card contents or something like that. And then I copied all the files in that onto the main directory of this, and we'll see if it works. Now it says to use Quark, it says to use version 1.03, and we're on 1.04. So I don't know, this may not work. Let's see what happens. Aha! We're in BASIC. Okay, cool. So let's just write a basic program for, I gotta need caps lock on, for A equals 1, 0, 2, 100, 10, 20, print 100 minus A, semicolon, quote. Oh, weird. I thought, oh, it's set the keyboard. This is actually a UK keyboard. I happen to have it with me when I was in the UK. But the keyboard.txt, the autoexec.txt file that I downloaded onto this card assumes I have an American keyboard. So it's putting the quote over here where the @ is. Okay, that's fine. Quote, bottles of beer on the wall. 30, print 100 minus A, semicolon, quote, bottles of beer. There we are. Oops, no, that wasn't a quote. Quote, bottles of beer. Oh, that was 240. No, that's fine. Print. Say. Oh, I've got the space. we are. It's nice that it inserts that. 60 print. Next day. Okay, let's see if I know anything about BASIC. Hey, there we go. Oh, -1 balls appear on the wall. Darn it, I went too far. List. So you actually want 10 for A equals 0 to 99. Okay. Hey, 0 bottles of beer on the wall. Wow, it formats those interestingly. I wonder if I can fix that. It's line 40. It needs to be. Let's try that. There we go. That's a little better. Let's just take still one character too far to the left. Okay, let's try that. There we go. Excellent. And maybe I'll do some more with this in the future. Well, I think there might be some demos on here. Let's see. Oh, maybe I should save this. There we go. See what all is on here. Okay, so we save beer. Basic examples and tests. I bet I need to do star. CD. Basic examples. Tests. Yes. Examples or tests? Olimex challenge. Oh dear. I think we probably want tests. What do we got in here? Oh my goodness, a lot of them. Benchmarks, circle, fireworks. What is the biggest program? Shadows.bass. Okay, we'll run the biggest program and see what it is. Sorry. Caps lock again. Could not find file. Oh, it is .bass, not BBC. Uh-oh. Will that work? We'll see here. Hey! It's drawn circles. And it's making shadows for those circles. I'm guessing they're supposed to be spheres. I assume that it is calculating these in real time because simply, you know, drawing an oval is not that hard. If you have to figure out where that oval is, pixel by pixel, then I suppose that this is what you do. Alrighty, I think it's done. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. Do I hit key? How do I get out of it? Escape? Okay, good. And that apparently took that program. Wow, okay. Let's see what else there is here. Oh, we're in a different graphics mode now. Wow. Let's run the biggest sprites one. Sprites 3.bass. _3.bass. Boy. Getting confused. Hey, it's sprites. They're moving all over the screen. Quite a bit of flickeriness up in the top third there, quarter of the screen. But yeah, sprites. They're all squares. They're moving around. They're bouncy balling. Bouncy, bouncy ball. Oh dear, the sprites are all over the screen. Okay, good. So that was yeah, many data statements. That's a box. Use data statements to make a box. Okay, that's why the file was so big. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's do the last one. Sprites. Could not find path. Oh no, it requires a path or something. Yeah, who knows? It's complicated. It uses a different screen mode. Can we see what the different screen modes are? Mode 0. Oh wow. That's wow. Okay. Tiny font. Mode 1. Okay. Mode 2. I wonder if there's just standard 80 column anywhere. Was that 80 was that 80 columns? Mode 1? That might actually be 80 columns. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Okay. That's mode 3. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one a lot. Mode 4. Mode 5. I'm guessing that's all the modes. It doesn't seem to be changing much anymore. Okay, well, cool. I heard there was like a bouncing sphere program somewhere. Well, let's look at cube.bash. Nope. Solid or wireframe? Sure, solid. Let's hope it does not make it really slow. Mode 0 to 2. I liked 0. It is the high-res mode. Are we going to see? We see some of it. Maybe this is 2-color mode or something. Maybe we need more colors. No. No, we're not seeing all of it. Let's try. Try a different mode. Solid. Mode 2. There we go. Colors, and it's a cube, and it's rotating. Hurrah! A little blinky, but not too bad.
Just to let you know, this video is over soon. So rub your eyes and stretch your thighs and sing in tune. It's time to find another kind of video, for this one is nearly done, you know.
Let's do fireworks and call that good. Okay, run. And it's fireworks.bash. Why are they calling things .bash when it's expecting .bbc? Fireworks. There we go. Hey, fireworks. This is a palette messing with the routine. Messing with the palette to create a repeating animation. Fun. Well. Bye for now.